Hard to turn it on. Okay, hi. You want to say hello?
Hello.
That's a very sweet hello. Okay, come. Introduce yourself. Can you tell everyone your name?
Amigo.
You heard that? His name is Amigo.
Amigo.
We'll do this one more time, okay? You ready? I'll let you chew on the treat first. Are you done? Okay, what's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo is his name. So Amigo, there's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? You heard that? He's asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling today? Good? Yes, that's very nice to hear. So Amigo here, he's actually quite smart. He can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, perfect! Wow, music again.
Amazing.
I know who is this. Thank you very much. Okay, so everyone, I would like all of you to meet Big John. Okay, so Big John here is our greater sulfur crested cockatoo. Yes, I'm introducing you to all of you, all of them. Chill, okay? So he's a greater sulfur crested cockatoo, and guess what? He is over 50 years old. That's right, the big 50. And I think he's upset because I told everyone his age. And let's get him to talk, okay? Hi, do you want to say hello? Say hello. You don't want to say anything? We'll try one more time. Say hello. Someone's on silent mode today. It's okay, we'll just carry on with Amigo first. You just stay there, okay? Don't scream. Okay, you heard him count in English, right? John! Wait there, wait for a while. We finish with Amigo first, okay? You heard him count in English, right? Let's hear Amigo count in Chinese.
2, 3,
Heard how is very good in Chinese. Hi, what's wrong there? Can you hear how loud he was just now? He doesn't even need to use a microphone, and that is how loud these birds can get, okay? If I give you the mic, don't scream, okay? Can you show them how you say hello? That was a very sweet hello. He can also do a couple of mimics, okay? Let's get him to... Can you show them how you laugh? Laugh? You don't want to laugh? Okay, how about the sound of the chicken? Bye-bye. This chicken says bye-bye. No, chicken. Bye-bye. Okay, let's move on, okay? He can do the sound of the cough, the human cough, okay? Let's see if he does it. Can you show them how you cough? Cough. 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 You don't want to do it? Okay, only one time? Okay, that's fine. Okay, like I said, he's over 50 years old, right? But over the years, he has only picked up 5 mimics, okay? Which is hello, the laugh, the sound of the chicken, the cough, as well as bye-bye. And one thing about these birds is that they can scream their heads off, okay? Like what he did earlier, he doesn't even need the use of a microphone, and I'm very sure people right at the top can hear him very loud and clear, right? Imagine having him at home. Your neighbors will start to complain, okay? So that's not a very good idea, right? Okay, so Big John, if you want to be on stage, you need to remain silent, okay? Because you're distracting me, you're distracting Amigo as well, okay? Don't scream, okay? Thank you. Let's move on to Amigo. John! One more time you scream, you go back home, okay? Okay. Let's move on. You know what? I'm just going to send him back home, okay? Can we all wave and say bye-bye, Big John? Big John, you don't want to turn in front? How about you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye before you go. Say bye-bye. You don't want to say bye-bye? It's okay. Let's give him a round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much, sir. Here we go. Stage.
He's not in the good mood.
Okay? Okay, so you heard Amigo count in English and in Chinese, right? Let's hear him sing, shall we?
Wow.
Amigo can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages.
Wow.
First song titled Ke Ren Lai, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, let's sing in Mandarin. What happened? I think it's the minus. For those of you who can see the 2 minus right here, just for your information, they're not part of the show, okay? Amigo, don't look at them, it's okay. They're your fans. Okay, chill? Can we start singing in Mandarin? There you go! Ke Ren Lai, word for word. The second song originates from Indonesia, titled Rasa Sayang. Yeah, so Rasa Sayang means feelings of love.
Can we
And I know
hear
some of you know
him
the song,
sing?
right? So if you know, you can sing it along with Amigo, okay? Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang. What a jumpy song! Well sung, Amigo. Okay, the third song is a very special song. And it goes out to those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today. So it's the 26th of December. Anybody's birthday, just raise up your hands. Okay, we start with people on this side. Birthdays? Okay, we have 1. Let me scan through the crowd. Okay, no one else on this side. Birthdays. Okay, so we have 2, 3, all the way up there. 4. Okay, I see you. 4, 5. Don't be shy. I won't ask your age. It's okay. So we have 5 so far. People on this side. Anybody's birthday? All the way up there. Okay, 6, 7, and 8. All the way up as well. Okay. So we have 8, 9. Okay. So for the 9 of you, Amigo is going to sing you all a very special song. Okay? You ready? Come on. Happy birthday to the 9 of you. Thank you all so much for celebrating your birthdays right here in the bird park. Now before Amigo leaves, okay, let me all tell you something. Let me just tell you all something, okay? He is over 1 in a million, okay? It takes a lot of years and dedication to do what he just did earlier. Imagine ending up with a parrot just like Big John, who can either be very quiet or extremely loud, okay? So please consider all these before you get yourselves a pet parrot, okay? So it's time for Amigo to head back home. Can we all wave and say bye-bye, Amigo? Then he's gonna wave back at you with his wings. Check this out. Bye-bye.